Your radio gear is powerful, but vulnerable. Sometimes voltage can turn on you in a second. Spikes, drops, surges, they happen everywhere. That's why ShackMaster Power 600 isn't just a power supply. It's a full protection and monitoring system. During the DX Adventure expedition, a faulty generator spiked from 65 to 265 volts. ShackMaster caught it and saved the gear. Clean, stable, 13.8 volts, up to 40 amps, built for serious stations. Use Shack Power software for fast setup of your PSU. Trim voltage of main output. Synchronize clock with your computer. Restore output after the mains resume. ShackMaster, your gear's silent bodyguard.